Last October, my family decided to get a cat, and I really didn't care until I realized that I could film it knocking objects off tables for sweet, sweet fake internet points. But when the cat arrived a month later, it really didn't do any of that. Begged for food, slept, stared at the window at small animals with the spine chilling glare of murderous intent, flashed her butthole. So, using the power of technology, I made a machine of scientific wonder that could change the course of history. So, this IR sensor is connected to a relay and nobody cares. But when I press this button on the remote, it makes that motor spin. Pretty simple. To prove it works, here's some Legos. And that's about it. Just copy and paste a picture of my cat over the robot, and yeah, now I'm automatically famous. See ya.